From cars to drones, air taxis. Maruti Suzuki to expand into future mobility. Maruti Suzuki India Limited MSIL, the country's largest passenger vehicle manufacturer, is gearing up to shift gears this time, quite literally into the skies. The company is diversifying beyond conventional petrol and diesel cars with a bold new foray into drones, unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs, and electric air taxis. In a major strategic pivot, Maruti Suzuki's board has approved an ambitious plan to enter advanced mobility sectors, a move formalized through a recently signed Memorandum of Understanding (MOU). These proposals were cleared at a board meeting held on July 31, 2025, and will be presented for shareholder approval at the upcoming annual general meeting AGM on August 28, 2025. The proposed expansion will see Maruti Suzuki step into futuristic domains such as EV charging infrastructure, car leasing services, and certified used car sales. The company also intends to play a key role in developing next-generation technologies and allied services like vehicle testing, R&D support, and supply chain management. This marks a decisive shift from Maruti's traditional role as an automaker into a broader mobility service provider. The move also aligns with growing global interest in green transport and urban air mobility solutions. None of the most talked about developments under this new business strategy is the collaboration between Maruti's parent company, Suzuki Motor Corporation, and Japanese firm SkyDrive. The partnership, formalized in June 2023, focuses on manufacturing the SkyDrive SD05, a next-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. SkyDrive's SD05 is built for short urban commutes, capable of flying up to 15 km with a top speed of 100 km/h. Known for its safety, cost efficiency, and zero-emission design, it represents the cutting edge of advanced air mobility (AAM), sometimes referred to as urban air mobility (UAM). Swipe left for next video. The SD05 aircraft made its Indian debut at the 10th Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit (VGGS) held from January 10 to 12, 2024. A 15-scale model of the eVTOL was showcased at the event, symbolizing the beginning of India's journey into urban air mobility, with Maruti Suzuki at the helm. Latest blogs.